Hey, I'm Carl Chapman from Wi-Fi Gear and welcome to this unboxing video of the LigoWave 520N. Let's have a little look inside the box. Okay, so we have a quick start guide. It has some basic network diagrams, how to mount it to a pole, and it should also include, yep it does, the login information to the AP. Let's get this out. Snug fit, but the radio itself, the 520N radio. We also have part of the mounting arm, the PoE injector, UK mains lead, Jubilee clip, and also the grommet. It's worth noting, supply of the UK mains lead, we can supply a EU mains lead if you require. Just make sure during the ordering process you let us know that you require an EU mains lead. So let's check out the technology of the radio. No, reverse that, let's look at the physical attributes, then we'll look at the technology. So physical attributes, you'll notice it's rather larger than the 515N. Although it's still quite small. Yeah, similar size to my face perhaps. Similar size to the 520AC in fact. It comes with the pre-molded arm here, which works in conjunction with this one here, as well as with the Jubilee clip, and that is designed for pole mounting, but one of the advantages of this one over the 515N is you can very easily change the pitch of the radio. Instead of there being LED indicators on the side of this unit, they're actually more on the rear, but again you have your power, your network, and also your signal strength, which is indicated. Your serial MAC information is all on the back of the radio, and again a standard of these, the GHz port, which is also for power in the unit, is at the bottom, which is used in conjunction with the grommet to make sure it adheres to the IP rating. So, technology of the radio. This is a N device, so 802.11N, capable of speeds 170 megabits per second. If you require more throughput than that, I suggest you look at the 520AC, which is on the later 802.11AC Wi-Fi standard and capable of speeds of over 500 megabits per second. The range on this unit is 15 kilometers point to point and 10 kilometers point to multi-point. It has a 20 dBi antenna. Power wise, 10 watt 24 volt. So as I mentioned on the other unboxing videos, if you've had a chance to look at them, this is not 802.3AF compliant, this is 24 volt 10 watts. So if you are planning on using your switch to power the device, please check it will actually do that. If not, you will still require using the PoE injector. Something else I haven't mentioned is the iPoll 3, again as with the 515N, 515AC, the 5AC, 5N, 520N and 520AC, they all use the LigoWave proprietary technology iPoll 3, which is designed to allow these devices to work better in congested areas. So management of the device, as with all the DOB series, is done via the LigoOS. If you want to have a little look at one of our configuration videos, you can see how to set one of these up in a simple point-to-point or point-to-multi-point environment. The warranty and support for these units is 3 years of standard warranty from LigoWave. We also have a very good RMA procedure for this at wifigear.co.uk. if you do run into any problems, but it's worth noting LigoWave units are very sturdy, very well built, and they have a very low failure rate, so the chances are you're not going to have any problems with this radio during its lifetime. Use cases, so again we see a lot of these in CCTV, WISP deployments, used in holiday and caravan sites, particularly used over the 515 model because it has got a narrower beam width whereas you've got the 35 degree on the 515. This is, I believe, a 16 degree, so you can have more of these radios in the site without causing interference to the neighbour.